Home renovations in Layton are increasingly focused on upgrades that combine beauty, functionality, and long-term value. One design feature gaining strong momentum is the modern bow window. Known for its graceful curve and expansive glass, the bow window has evolved beyond traditional styles into sleek, contemporary designs that fit perfectly with today's renovation trends. For Layton homeowners looking to enhance natural light, create visual space, and boost curb appeal, modern bow windows are becoming a standout choice. Here's why modern bow window designs are growing in popularity across Layton renovation projects. Sleek profiles create a contemporary look. Today's bow windows feature slimmer frames and cleaner lines compared to older, bulky designs. These updated profiles allow for larger glass areas and a more refined exterior appearance. Modern bow windows create a smooth, flowing architectural feature complement both updated and transitional home styles to add sophistication without overwhelming the facade. This balance of elegance and simplicity makes them ideal for modern renovations. Expansive glass maximizes natural light. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose bow windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a room. Modern designs emphasize wide glass panels that brighten interiors throughout the day. Benefits include brighter living and dining spaces, reduced need for artificial lighting, a more open, airy feel inside the home. In Layton homes, where homeowners value bright, welcoming interiors, this feature is especially appealing. Enhanced views and indoor-outdoor connection. Modern bow windows create a panoramic view of the outdoors. Their curved design allows homeowners to enjoy multiple sightlines from inside the room. This design frames scenic yards or neighborhoods, visually expands interior spaces, strengthens the connection between indoors and outdoors. For homeowners renovating living rooms or primary gathering areas, this enhanced view adds everyday enjoyment. Energy-efficient designs fit Layton's climate. Modern bow windows are engineered with energy efficiency in mind, an important factor for Layton's seasonal temperature changes. Advanced features include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to manage heat transfer, high-performance frame materials. These upgrades help keep homes comfortable year-round while controlling energy costs. Customization options support personal style. Today's bow window designs offer a high level of customization, allowing homeowners to tailor the window to their renovation vision. Popular options include contemporary frame colors for contrast, mixed, fixed, and operable window panels, modern grid-free glass designs. This flexibility allows bow windows to blend seamlessly into modern renovation plans. Added interior space improves functionality beyond aesthetics. Bow windows add usable interior space. The outward projection creates room for seating, decor, or storage. Homeowners use this space for cozy window seats, display shelves or plants, reading nooks, or relaxation areas. This functional bonus is especially attractive during renovations focused on maximizing living space. Improved curb appeal raises home value from the exterior. Modern bow windows create a striking architectural feature that elevates curb appeal. They add depth and dimension to the facade, signal a high-quality renovation, increase overall property appeal. For Layton homeowners considering resale value, bow windows are a visually impactful upgrade. Professional installation ensures lasting performance. Because bow windows are larger and more complex than standard windows, professional installation is essential. Expert installers ensure proper structural support, sealing, and alignment. This guarantees long-term durability, weather resistance, smooth operation of any operable sections. A renovation upgrade that delivers style and value. Modern bow window designs are quickly becoming a favorite in Layton renovations for good reason. They combine sleek aesthetics, abundant natural light, energy efficiency, and added functionality in one elegant feature. For homeowners seeking a renovation upgrade that transforms both interior comfort and exterior appeal, modern bow windows offer a stylish, long-lasting solution that enhances the home today and adds value for years to come.